Hi guys, here is Nicola. So today I'm going to present you how to make a PowerPoint presentation really attractive in less than 5 minutes. So what I see often is that we are in a rush and we have no time to prepare a presentation. So there is no need to be in this situation. You can really make a good presentation if you have your ideas quite clear. You can make it really look professional really fast. So I'm going to show you how. So what is important first is to have a good content. So we are going to show you how. So first, you need to focus on the content because 80% of your time should be just writing your ideas, not spending time on the format. So please make sure you spend only time on your ideas. So let's say we have a project and we want to show the structure of the project and the different steps. I'm going to write what are the different steps of the project. So first, the first step is to analyze the situation. Then we will identify what are the problems and prioritize. After that, we will implement our ideas and we will evaluate. So you see, for now, the content is clear. My mind is really structured, so that's important. So once you have done that, it's really important to select the text box. I just did it here, select text box. And the next step is where all of the magic of PowerPoint happens, and that's what is going to make your presentation looks really good. So you see here, convert to SmartArt. That's what is going to help you. So you will click on that and you'll see all of the different possibilities that you have to convert your content in a really nice and neat way. So let's say we want to show the different step of the project. This one looks good. So I have already like kind of a roadmap. And on this type of roadmap, I can also change other type of roadmap or process. And I have still a lot of other options. So let's take, let's keep this one. So then what you can do as after, well, you could stop here, but after you can even change the colors. You can make it 3D. Everything is possible. So that's really, you saw in 2 minutes how we could change that and make our content looks professional. So focus on the ideas first and then make it professional through the smart art design. So now I prepared already some content to avoid losing time on this video, just writing some content. I'm going to show you the first example. So let's say you want to prepare a quick organigram of your team, your company, or can be also another type of hierarchy structure. Then you can also use SmartArt. So here I type some positions. So we select the text box and we go to convert to SmartArt. And we see here, it looks like organization charts. So let's select that. So It's okay how it looks right now, but I think we can maybe do better. So here I have, if you go out, up, I have other type of layouts. Now we see I can also click here to see all of the layouts. And yes, so I like this one. So let's keep this one and let's change the colors. Yeah. So here we have also different type of colors depending on the hierarchy. So that's one really quick way to build organigram. Then let's say you want to build a SWOT. So I prepared like some basic SWOT. So the same, you select the text box, you go to convert to SmartArt, you want, I think that's a matrix, yes. And here you have already your SWOT. So you saw, I can come back. So what was really important is first to write your ideas, because once you have all of your ideas, you can select what is the most appropriate graphic. So let's go back here. Let's see what is possible. Yeah, this one is not bad. That is also possible. Well, let's use the one with the arrows. Then I can change the colors. And here we go. Let's see now one of my favorite way to use SmartArt. So we have a process here. I use the example of invoice processing. You first write in a raw text the steps of the process, and you use a text box. You go to convert SmartArt, and you can go to basic process. So we have already a nice process, but there are other options. So let's go up in layouts, and we have this one. Quite nice. We have this. We have this, but for a lot of steps, it's not really efficient. And the one I prefer is this one. So here you see really the value of SmartArt. From text, we go through a visual way of showing a process, which will be way more efficient than a lot of sentences. And that's also for me a way to show that you can visualize and document really quickly process, and it will help you in any type of documentation in your work. What I wanted to show you is also here, type your text here. So you can add new. So how to get that? You go here to text pane and it will appear straight away. And here you can add some steps. So let's say I can add delete invoice after 10 years. And I got my new step. So no need to add a new shape. If I want to add another step, all of the shapes will move, so they will adapt to the content. And that's really the key factor here. Your graphic adapts to the content. You don't adapt your content to the graphic. So you will be really efficient because PowerPoint is working for you. So Here I will delete that, and my process is finished. I can still change the colors if I want, make it a bit more 3D, but I think keep it simple. Also the colors, we don't need much different colors. Maybe the tone like that is good. Okay, so that was for process. Finally, one of the best way to show you why I started this channel and why I'm sharing this knowledge with you, I thought maybe I used a SmartArt. Like, let's use this one. What is important is what I wanted to tell you. So my goal is really to share knowledge with you, uh, to to give you some ideas what is possible to do with the softwares you use every day at work, PowerPoint, Outlook, Excel, Word. I might have other software that I will show you later, and to help you be more productive. So I hope I give you some value, and I hope I can also help just one person with this video. That's really my main goal, is to help you. So thank you for watching, and let's finish with another smart art to tell you what I will appreciate. So if you have a PowerPoint question or any other questions, just leave a comment below, and I will reply in the comment sections, and maybe it will give me an idea to create other videos. If you like the video, consider subscribing. It's a way for me to show you other videos, and also to support my channel. And finally, if you think that you have a colleague who needs to see this video, please share with him, because you might help somebody with this video. So thank you everybody, and we see each other in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.